We will now write down the polynomial function g of x given their zeros are 0, -6, and 2, and their corresponding multipliers are 3, 1, and 1. So for this, we can use the generic formula for a function f of x, which is written in the factored form, that is x minus alpha 1 power m1 times x minus alpha 2 power m2, and multiplied with x minus alpha 3 raised to the power of m3, where alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, and so on are the zeros, and m1, m2, m3, and so on are their corresponding multipliers. So let's utilize this formula to write this polynomial function g of x. So first, I'm going to put x minus, we consider this zeros as these are alpha 1, alpha 2, and alpha 3, and the corresponding multipliers as m1, m2, and m3. So alpha 1 is 0, so I put x minus 0 raised to the power of the multiplier, which is 3, times the next factor is x minus alpha 2. Alpha 2 is -6, so I put x minus of minus 6 raised to the power of multiplier, so m2 is 1. And then finally x minus of the another 0, that is alpha 3 is 2. So I put x minus 2 raised to the power of multiplier is, this is multiplier 3, which is 1. So let's simplify this. So therefore g of x, and this equals x minus 0 is x, and raised to the power of 3, which is x power 3, and this will become negative of -6 will become positive 6. So we write down this as x plus positive 6 raised to the power of 1. We will not have to put 1, and then multiplied with x minus 2 raised to the power of 1. We will not have to put 1. So this is the factor form of the polynomial g of x with the given zeros and their multipliers.